Why didn't you video that? Wait, where's my boyfriend? Where's my boyfriend? Where's your boyfriend? Where's your boyfriend at? Where's your boyfriend? Dance club right now? A dance club? I don't know how to do this. My ears are all the way here. Dude, that tastes so bad. Are you recording me? Remember Turtle? Slow down, Turtle. Can you send me a picture? Can you send me some money? Oh, yeah. Guess the rules here. Gargling. You want me to read the map? Hold on. Let's get it. Okay.
We're going on 70 east,
Where's
right?
your phone?
After 81?
It's right here. Baby, feel the beat inside. Yeah, you should be going, maybe you should go west. 70, yeah, definitely 70 east. Yeah, you'll be going onto it soon.
So I go east a little bit and then I turn west, don't I?
Yeah, you go
to Hagerstown, right?
Yeah, you go. Never east, but you go east until you get to Hagerstown. When you get to Hagerstown, you're gonna go west, and then once you get to Hagerstown, then you're gonna start to go to Hancock, and once you go to Hancock, you gotta go.
Yeah, see, look,
north.
Frederick and Hancock, one more.
Yeah, that's right.
Good God.
Ma. When I get mad at her, I'm like, Ma.
Alright, I'm gonna get over.
Seriously, were you doing that on purpose?
No, the first time I didn't do it on purpose. Were you scared
I was
the
like,
crap out of me? You should have had a V8.
She said, Papa! Papa!
Are you saying pal?
Papa! Papa! I love it so much. Just be sure to watch me.
Exit right, then keep left.
Let's videotape this. I want to picture that. We gotta stop this so I can get a picture of that.